Today, we're diving into the world of premium memory with the Dominator Platinum RGB DDR4 from Corsair. This isn't just your average RAM stick, it's a meticulously crafted piece of hardware designed to elevate your PC experience to new heights. Let's start with the aesthetics. The Dominator Platinum's iconic design, featuring 12 ultra-bright Capellix RGB LEDs per module, adds a touch of sophistication to any build. The individually addressable LEDs offer endless customization options through Corsair's ICE software, allowing you to create mesmerizing lighting effects that sync with the rest of your setup. But beauty isn't just skin deep. Underneath the stylish exterior lies a powerhouse of performance. Hand-sorted, tightly screened memory chips ensure high-frequency performance and tight response times, with plenty of overclocking headroom for enthusiasts. Plus, with Intel XMP 2.0 support, setup is a breeze, whether you're using an Intel or AMD motherboard. One of the standout features of the Dominator Platinum is its patented DChex cooling system. By embedding the heat spreader directly into the PCB, Corsair has effectively pulled heat away from the modules, keeping them cool even under the most demanding workloads. This not only ensures optimal performance but also enhances the longevity of your investment. Compatibility-wise, Corsair has you covered. Whether you're rocking the latest motherboard or an older model, the Dominator Platinum is designed to slot in seamlessly, delivering uncompromising performance every time. In terms of build quality, Corsair has spared no expense. Precision die casting and anodization techniques result in a memory module that's not only durable but also exudes premium craftsmanship. And with a limited lifetime warranty backing it up, you can rest easy knowing your investment is protected. Overall, the Corsair Dominator Platinum RGB DDR4 is more than just a memory upgrade. It's a statement piece for your high-end PC. With its unparalleled performance, stunning aesthetics, and rock-solid reliability, it's the perfect choice for discerning enthusiasts who demand nothing but the best from their hardware. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.